create a magic ring. Chain 1, 5 single crochet into the ring. 1, mark the first stitch, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cut the yarn and sew. Put the ring tight. In the first stitch, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain color. Insert in the last stitch. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Skip 1 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, and 4 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip stitch into the next stitch here. The first stitch in row 1. Continue 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Skip 1 and insert in the second stitch from the hook. 1 single, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, and 5. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Make 3 times. Okay, and slip stitch into the next stitch here. Start row 3 with slip stitch in the first here, slip stitch, 4 half double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 1 and 2, chain 2. Skip 1 and 2, make slip stitch into the third here. Okay, and chain 2, 1, 2. In the same stitch, make half double crochet and 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And slip stitch. We have 1 crochet and repeat 4 times. The second crochet, slip stitch in the first, for half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 chain, 1, 2, skip 1, 2, make slip stitch in here in the third stitch, and chain 2, 2, half double crochet in the same stitch, 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, slip stitch. Again, the third crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, half double, three, and 4, chain 2, skip 1, 2, slip stitch in the third, chain 2, half double, half double, half double, half double, and slip stitch. Make 2 times, slip stitch to finish.